Hello guys, there we have a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search. So there is two ways to do it on this phone, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. So I will start from the Google Lens way. We have to open the Gallery app and look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one, for example. So open it now, and how you can see there we have a small icon. This is a Google Lens. Just tap on it. Now Google Lens automatically looks for the same or the similar images. Okay, now it's the second way time. Just open your web browser and go to google.com. Now it's very important. Just switch your web browser mode to the desktop site. You can see now small camera icon appears, so click on it and choose upload a photo. Add a permission and choose your photo again. Now google.com, looking for the same picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.